In the time span of 4 months, I gained so much confidence that I can work on real life case studies and the industrial projects. Hello everyone, my name is Vyas Bhaumik and I have done BSc Physics from the St. Xavier's College, and parallelly I have done the data science course from the Fingertips. In the final year of a BSc Physics, when I was searching for the career transition programs, I landed up in one article. By 2025, per day 625 exabyte of data will be generated. So I was very much triggered by that point, and I was searching that what is the scope in that field, and that I landed into the Fingertips counseling, that the team guided me that I can successfully do the career transition from BSc Physics to a data science program. But I was in dilemma at that time, can I do that? But the Fingertips team and all the tutors had gave me support and understand each and every topic in the very layman terms and very basically. After the completion of course, I am ready to solve any problem. So basically physics is a very theoretical subject, and when I was searching for the career transition to the data science, it was very much practical. The industrial mentors at the Fingertips helped me so much and made my concept so much clear into the layman terms that I can gain technical skills to solve the live projects and the case studies. The curriculum here set by the industry mentors and the Fingertips team is so that we can become the expert in the field of data science, and it is updated every 4 months. So we can easily cope up with the industry and we can easily walk through the interviews. The curriculum here at the Fingertips and the industry mentor has guided so well that even a non-technical person can ace in the field of the data science, and I am the live example of it. Before the start of the program and even at the time of counseling, I was in the dilemma that should I able to do it? I will be covered to all the things, technical skills. After completion of the program, I gained so much knowledge and so much technical skills that at the time I can work on the live projects by my own, and I can work on real life case studies and the industrial projects. Thank you Fingertips, काम आता है तो काम मिलेगा.
Anybody can become data scientist. Learn from industry experts with one-on-one mentoring. Get guided placement support for 1 year and more than 300 jobs opportunity. Enroll into our data science program now. Fingertips, काम आता है तो काम मिलेगा.